Hello, Opophiles, and happy Valentine's Day. Today, we'll be learning the tune, Call Me Maybe, which is a great tune for you to play for your Valentine. So before we get into that though, I just wanted to celebrate reaching 5,000 subscribers. I really want to show my gratitude for everyone who has made Opophiles possible. We got to do a lot of cool Obo events over the years, and now we have cool Opophiles merch, so check that out at opophiles.com. But I'm going to be giving some of it away. I just want to have a little trivia thing to, find people who really value the stuff that Valentine does. So there's a link in the description. There's only like 20 people signed up for it right now, so if you do sign up, you probably have a really good chance of winning. But I want to give away one prize for each of the questions you get right. So probably give away some reads and maybe a lesson or a shirt, that kind of thing. And yeah, Call Me Maybe has 3 parts. It's just a verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, and we'll do them slowly. You can refer back to the beginning of the video to hear them at tempo and follow along. But before we play it, we want to figure out what key it's in. This one's in G, luckily, which is the first key I ever teach on the oboe. But let's just do a quick G major scale. So the verse starts on the 3rd note of the scale, and it also starts on the upbeat off of the first big downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice it's just the same thing repeated twice. The pre-chorus is also the same thing repeated, and the first round about it is a little truncated. And then of course the most famous part, which is the chorus, hey, I just met you. Just make sure you're singing in your head as you learn how to play it so that you keep track of where you are. Like me, who is maybe not so familiar with this tune yet, and I'm getting a little lost in my own brain. So you can do the little B flat to B grace that I'm doing. I think that's how the recording sounds in my brain, but I'd have to double check. Or you can just play the B natural, whichever one is more fulfilling to you. Whatever one you choose, I hope that you play beautifully, and thanks for supporting this Opophiles project. Happy Valentine's Day.